Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to update X, formerly Twitter app on your phone. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the App Store, and here there is two options. The first one is to click on your picture on the top right of the screen and scroll down until you find the apps on your phone. So if some apps need to have some updates, you will find an update list. But as you can see, all the apps on my phone are up to date. So if you don't find anything here, it's fine. Your app is up to date. And secondly, you can go and look for the app itself. Go and look for X app, click on it, and after that, click on the app again. And as you can see, there is the blue button is like open. It's written open on it. And if the app needs update, that blue button should be or should have update written on it. So like that, you know that your app is up to date and everything is working fine. And updating X app or the other apps is very important if you want to have the latest features and options on those apps. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see